What happens when America's most iconic sports car keeps evolving without losing its soul? You get the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C8, sleeker, smarter, and faster than ever. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we take a closer look at the future of performance. Design. Let's start with the looks. The 2026 C8 keeps its aggressive mid-engine stance but refines it with sharper aerodynamics and subtle styling tweaks. New lighting signatures, a wider rear diffuser, and lightweight forged wheels all make this Vette look even more exotic, without abandoning its Corvette roots. Performance. Under the hood, or technically, behind the seats, you'll still find the legendary LT2 6.2L V8, now tuned to push out even more horsepower. With updated engine mapping and improved cooling, the 2026 C8 launches harder, shifts quicker, and handles tighter thanks to recalibrated magnetic ride control and enhanced grip. Features and technology. Inside, the tech is top tier. A larger, curved digital display wraps toward the driver, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and Chevy's new performance data recorder has more in-depth tracking and analysis tools than ever. Plus, with over-the-air updates and available semi-autonomous cruise assist, it's every bit a modern machine. Conclusion. The 2026 Corvette C8 proves that you don't need to go European to get supercar thrills with everyday usability. But what do you think? Is this the best C8 yet? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews, where performance meets perspective. See you next time.